Welcome back to the Yummy Vibes. Today we are making a rich, aromatic, homemade chai masala that brings warmth, comfort and that perfect desi touch to every cup. We are starting with the ingredients. Take 10 grams dalchini, 20 grams green elaichi, 4 pieces of black elaichi, 5 grams of cloves, 10 grams of black pepper, 1 piece of Jaifal, 1 piece of Javitri and 1 piece of Chakra Phool. Now, based on the season, we tweak 2 ingredients. In summer, add 2 tablespoons of dry ginger powder and 4 tablespoons of Saunf since we want less heat. In winter, add 4 tablespoons of dry ginger powder and 2 tablespoons of Saunf for that extra warmth. Also, some dried rose petals and saffron are added in both the cases. This chai masala turns out so good you'll stop craving tea from outside. It's flavorful, balanced and feels like home in every sip. Before we start roasting, we'll crush the moti elaichi and javitri separately. This makes roasting smoother and helps release the flavor. We'll transfer it into the mini bowl. For the jaifal, once you crack it open, it splits. We need to remove the outer shell and just use the inner nut, that is the actual fruit, and crush it slightly. We'll transfer it into a mini bowl. Now for dry roasting, in a pan add dalchini, green elaichi, black elaichi, cloves, black pepper, jaifal, javitri, chakra phool and saunf. Roast on medium flame for about 5 minutes. Don't overdo it because we just want to activate the aroma and the natural oils. Once the spices start releasing their fragrance, turn off the gas. While the pan is still hot, add the dry ginger powder as per the season and the dried rose petals along with the saffron strands. Let them sit in the residual heat of the pan to gently warm and absorb the aromas. Once the entire mixture cools down, grind it all into a fine powder and store it in an airtight jar. Look at this, it's so fine, aromatic and full of flavor. The color, the texture and everything came out just right. This is going to take your chai to a whole new next level. Now let's make chai using this masala. Take 3/4 cup of water in a pan and bring it to boil. Add 1 teaspoon of chai patti or adjust based on how strong you like it and let it boil for 2 minutes until the color darkens. Then add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar or according to your taste and give it a boil for another 1 minute. Pour in half cup of milk and let everything come to a full boil. Add 1/4 teaspoon of our chai masala and let it simmer for a moment to blend in. Then turn off the heat. Strain and serve hot. To finish, I am topping it with a few roasted cashew pieces. It adds a little richness to every sip. Try this once and you will see the difference. You will never have to rely on the store-bought masalas anymore. We never really know what all goes in them anyway. With this, you know exactly what is there in every sip. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Yummy Vibes for more recipes like this, and do let me know how did you like it.